Hey guys, welcome to the dating revolution of this year. If you're tired of endless vibes, ghosting, and rejections that leave you questioning everything, this is your blueprint to approach women like a pro and spark those instant real connections that lead to something meaningful. No more playing games. We are talking modern US strategies that flip the script, stating your intentions early, ditching desperation for playful polarity, and choosing real life mates over app burnout. I'm Dr. New York, a Harvard and Cambridge alum, psychologist. So, backed by the latest trends from experts and real talk on X, these tips will have quality women chasing you. Stick around for all six game changing steps. Number six is the closer that steals the deal, and that also seals the deal. Let's revolutionize your love life. First step, ditch the apps and go real life. It is your superpower in this year. Stats show fewer men are approaching women in person, making it a massive opportunity with less competition. Instagram.com apps like Tinder are losing steam as women crave genuine meets at places like hobby clubs, church events, or even bars. Start simple. Comment on something shared, like love that book you are reading. What's the hook? Or at a club, this group's vibe is awesome. What drew you in? Real life builds instant rapid apps. Apps can't touch. Here's a pro tip for you. Churches and hobby sports are gold for shared values leading to marriage minded connections. Ready to level up? Here is how to make that approach magnetic. Now, step number two, lead with friendly, low pressure openers. No creepy pickup lines. Experts say ditch the outdated tricks. Authenticity wins in this year. For online, if you must use apps, put prioritize, but you prioritize real world. Compliment a detail like that hat's killer. Where would you snag it? Or share an observation. This drink looks intriguing. What's it? Hold eye contact a bit longer for confidence, but read her signals. If she smiles or engages, green light. This sparks curiosity without desperation, setting up that polarity where she is intrigued. No more anxiety. You are offering value, not begging. Now comes step number three. Create polarity through playful teasing, fun, tension, zero neediness. Lightly tease on something like her outfit or a quirky habit. Do you always wear sunglasses indoors? Or is this your spy look? Keep it smirky and positive. This inverts the dynamic, making you the evaluator. Screen her too. Are you the adventurous type? If she qualifies approve, then you approve. We might just click then. This builds attraction without chasing. She feels the spark of masculine feminine energy. Tease to please. It is a secret to no rejection vibes. Now let us come to the fourth step. State your intentions early. Be upfront about wanting real commitment. After two to four solid chats or days, drop it honestly. I am enjoying this and looking for something that could lead to marriage if it fits. No more, let's see where it goes. Vagueness that wastes time. In apps, mention it in your bio or early messages. In real life, like hobby clubs, we have it in naturally. This vets for marriage potential, weeds out casual flings, and shows confident leadership women crave. Clarity is king. It attracts the right ones. Coming to step number five, you balance apps with real life for max options, but prioritize in person. Apps are tools, not the main game. Use them for quick intros, but move to coffee meets fast. Real sports like church, temples, or clubs foster deeper bonds through shared interests. Avoid up burnout. Set limits and focus on quality. Teach via text too, but save polarity building for face to face where body language shines. Open posture, steady gaze, light touches when vibes align. Mix it up, but real life wins every time. Now comes to step number 6. Seal with active listening and steady confidence. Make her feel chosen, not chased. Really hear her, ask follow ups, and stay emotionally and grounded. Suggest plans decisively. Let us grab that exhibit Saturday. Don't over pursue. Let her wander a bit to build this desire. This creates that mesmerizing pull toward commitment. If rejection hits, grace it out, cold, all good, and move on. Abundance mindset crushes fear. Now, let us wrap up. There it is, guys. This year dating revolution in 6 steps. Approach with authenticity, spark polarity without desperation, and state those marriage intentions early for sustainable connections. Implement this and rejections, ancient history. If this fired you up, smash like, subscribe for the series, and comment your biggest takeaway. What is your go-to approach spot? Apps or real life? Drop it below. Revolutionize your dating. See you next time. Thank you.